Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing the car. Park level, handbrake on, ignition off. First, disconnect the negative battery terminal so you avoid shorts while working. Put on gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. Next, open the bonnet and locate the headlamp rear access cover or small plastic trim behind the Peugeot 206 lamp assembly. Once found, remove that cover, turn clips or undo screws, and you'll see the bulb holder and wiring. You now remove the old bulb. Release the retaining spring or rotate the socket depending on the 206 variant and pull the bulb straight out. Be careful, do not touch the glass with bare fingers because oils shorten bulb life. Use gloves or a clean cloth. Compare the new bulb to the old one to confirm the correct type, then insert the new unit gently. Once seated, refasten the spring or twist the socket back into place and firmly reconnect the wiring connector so there's no loose contact. Once the bulb is secure, reconnect the negative battery terminal and close the bonnet so you can test. Switch on the headlights and check both dipped and main beams. Make sure the lamp illuminates and the beam pattern looks correct. Refit the access cover or trim and tighten any screws or clips. If the light does not come on, stop and inspect the fuse, the connector for corrosion, and the ground. You can also try the new bulb in the other side to isolate a wiring problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.